Good evening, Tucson. I'm Mayor Regina Romero, and this is the first of what will be a daily video to keep you up to date on the impact of COVID-19 and what we are doing to flatten the curve. Things are changing every day, and new information is becoming available by the hour. I am committed to keeping you informed so that you always have the latest and most accurate information. I know these are difficult times, Tucson. That is why my colleagues on the council and I are working around the clock to do everything we can to protect public health. So, here are the latest updates. I have daily calls with the governor's office so that we can stay up to date with what is happening in the state level and keep advocating for Tucson. Today, Governor Ducey confirmed that his application to the U.S. Small Business Administration was approved. This will allow Arizona businesses affected by COVID-19 to seek loans of up to $2 million to cover essential expenses, such as payroll. I also voiced my support for a moratorium on all evictions and foreclosures. Today, Mayor Honey, Mayor Winfield, and Supervisors Elias, Bronson, and Valadez joined Tucson in declaring a proclamation of local emergency. This will help flatten the curve and save lives. This means that as of tonight, more of our neighbors will be following the same guidelines to keep our community safe. As a reminder, this declaration includes suspended dine-in services in restaurants and food courts, in a transition to delivery and pickup services. Bars, gyms, and other specific venues stated in the proclamation are directed to be closed through the end of the month. The Tucson City Court is instituting a number of operational changes through the end of the month to limit in-person access. You can find the full details at tucsonaz.gov/courts or by calling 520-791-4216. We also have a number of updates on utilities. Tucson Water Services will not be disconnected for non-payment, and those currently disconnected will be reconnected. Tucson Electric Power, Southwest Gas, and Cost Communication Services will not be disconnected for non-payment. Trash and recycling services are continuing as usual. The landfill is no longer accepting cash payments. We also have a number of transportation updates. In an effort to support local businesses by making food pickup easier, Park Tucson has established 15-minute free parking areas along the Mercado, 4th Avenue, downtown, and Main Gate Square. All buses, Sunvant and Sunlink, are getting a daily deep cleaning. The first 3 rows are blocked off to keep a minimum of 6 feet between drivers and riders. Patrons are using the rear doors to enter, and ridership is limited to 1 person per row. As of today, Sunlink has changed to the summer schedule. We are in daily communication with unions and drivers to get feedback and continuously adapt as needed. I am working with our congressional delegation to bring federal resources to Tucson. Last night, President Trump signed the Families First Coronavirus Response Act. This will provide free COVID-19 testing and $1 billion in nutrition aid. It will also expand unemployment insurance, expand Medicaid funding to states, and require certain companies to provide paid emergency sick leave. Tucson, the next 2 weeks are crucial. We need to do everything in our power to slow the spread of COVID-19. We have a social responsibility to follow CDC guidelines that will protect our most vulnerable neighbors. As a reminder, you can visit our website at tucsonaz.gov or call the City Services Impacts Hotline at 520-791-2540. Call takers are available in both English and Spanish. Take care of yourself, take care of your families and neighbors, and stay strong. We will get through this, Tucson. Somos uno. I'll see you tomorrow.